Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Delicious and Lecker. We will make today a Spanish cake recipe. The ingredients: flour 450 grams, sugar 200 grams, 3 eggs, yogurt 200 grams, sunflower oil 250 milliliters, vanilla sugar 8 grams, baking powder 15 grams, curcuma 1 teaspoon, the zest of 2 lemons. The preparation: we mix the ingredients using the hand mixer, starting with eggs and vanilla sugar, and then sugar, sunflower oil, the yogurt, baking powder, and then the flour. We add the curcuma, at the end we add the zest of 2 lemons. Grease the cake tin with butter. Add the mixture in the cake tin. Turn on the oven top and bottom heating with baking temperature 160 degrees. Baking time 30 minutes. See you next time with a new recipe.